Hey there, fellow document wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're diving into how to create a fillable form in DocuSign for 2025. If you're tired of messy paperwork and want to streamline your agreements, contracts, or even event sign-ups, this tutorial is perfect for you. DocuSign has evolved with new features in 2025, making it easier than ever to create professional fillable forms. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a DocuSign account. Head over to the DocuSign website and log in. If you're new, sign up. It's quick and free for basic use. Once you're in, click on Create and select From File to upload your document, like a PDF or Word file. This is where the magic starts. Next, it's time to make your form interactive. DocuSign's intuitive editor lets you add fields effortlessly. Drag and drop text boxes for names and addresses, checkboxes for agreements, or signature lines for approvals. Don't forget to customize. You can set requirements, like making certain fields mandatory, and even add your company branding for a polished look. Pro tip: use the preview mode to test how your form will appear on different devices. It's a game changer for 2025's mobile-first world. After you've added all your fields, assign recipients by entering their email addresses and specifying their roles. This ensures the form goes to the right people in the right order. Finally, hit Send and watch it go. You'll get real-time updates on completions, which is super handy for tracking. There you have it. Creating a fillable form in DocuSign is straightforward and efficient. By the end of 2025, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's make document management a breeze together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.